Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are talking about something very important: thinking in English, and also how to stop translating in your head. If you are learning English, you probably do this. You hear English. First, you translate it into your language. Then you think of an answer in your language. Then you translate it back into English. This makes speaking slow. This makes speaking stressful. Today, I will show you how to stop doing that and start thinking in English. I will speak slowly. Please listen carefully. You can pause the video and repeat after me. Let's begin. First, let me tell you something important. Translating in your head is normal. Everyone does it at the beginning. So do not feel bad. Do not feel stupid. But if you want to speak English confidently, you must slowly stop translating. Now listen carefully. You do not need to think in English perfectly. You only need to think in simple English. Very simple English. Let me give you an example. In your language, you think, I am feeling very tired today because I worked a lot. Then you translate it. That takes time. Instead, think like this in English. I'm tired. That's it. Simple, clear. This is how native speakers think. Thinking in English does not mean big sentences. It means small thoughts. Let's start with objects around you. Look around right now. Say in your head, phone, table, chair, window, door. Do not translate. Just see and name. This is thinking in English. Now, let's think about actions. You can say in your head, I'm sitting. I'm listening. I'm watching this video. I'm learning English. No translation, just simple English. Now, let's talk about daily life. When you wake up, say in your head, I'm awake. It's morning. I need to get up. When you brush your teeth, I'm brushing my teeth. When you eat, I'm eating breakfast. I'm hungry. This tastes good. This is real English thinking. Many learners wait until they know a lot of grammar. This is a mistake. You do not need grammar to think. You need habits. Now, let me tell you a very important rule. If you don't know a word, do not translate. Use another word. For example, you don't know the word for thakan. Do not stop. Just think, I'm tired. I need rest. Simple English is powerful. Let's talk about feelings. During the day, say in your head, I'm happy, I'm stressed, I'm calm, I'm busy, I'm relaxed. Feelings are easy. They help your brain switch to English. Now let's talk about thinking in full sentences. Start very small. Not this. I will go to the market after completing my work. Too big. Think like this. I'll go out later. Native speakers think like this. Another important tip. Do not translate while listening. When you hear English, just listen. Do not panic. You do not need to understand every word. Understand the idea. This helps your brain think in English faster. Now let me tell you something honest. Thinking in English feels strange at first. Your brain will feel tired. This is good. It means your brain is learning something new. Let's do a small practice now. Say this in your head. I'm watching a video. I'm learning English. I'm improving every day. Say it slowly. Now use English when you are alone, while walking, while cooking, while lying on your bed. Talk in your head. No translation, just English. Do not wait to be perfect. Native speakers are not perfect. Confidence comes from daily practice. Remember this. You learned your first language without translating. You can learn English the same way, slowly, naturally, daily. Now let me say something important. You do not stop translating in one day. It takes time. But every day you try, your English becomes faster. Say this with me. I don't need to translate. I can think in English. I'm getting better every day. Believe it. Now it is your turn. After this video, look around. Name 5 things in English. Then say one sentence about what you are doing. For example, I'm sitting. I'm relaxed. I'm learning English. This is how it starts. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Keep thinking in English. Stop translating slowly. See you next time.